Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Nai.
And so for today's vlog ay manonood ulit tayo ng introduction video ng isa sa mga delegates for the upcoming Miss World Philippines 2024. At ang papanoorin natin ay si Arian Zobel Beron from Iloilo City! Mga pinalangga! Kaya without any further ado,
Without any further to that,
let's watch this!
Hi, I'm Arian, your Miss
si
World
Arian.
Philippines
Uy, ganda ng video.
Gusto ko yan.
a multimedia art student and the
oh,
superhero
that
in
explains
sports.
well.
But you know what? There's more to me than just sports.
Upbeat.
Deep down, I aspire to create a world where everyone gets to shine in their brilliant and special way.
Perfect.
And speaking of special, have you ever been to my hometown? Iloilo.
Yes,
City
yes.
of gastronomy and love. Aside from experiencing the incredible flavors, I've also been surrounded by so much love and vibrancy in my hometown as I journey on my initiative for children with special needs.
Pototan.
So as I continue on my journey as an exceptionally empowered Filipina, I will do everything to make these children's lives filled with the most beautiful colors.
Yeah.
Kudos sa gumawa ng video. I super love it. Like, upbeat. Like, papanoorin mo talaga siya from start to finish.
And may mga colors.
Full of colors, full of life, full of love. Grabe yung love na binuhos dun sa video na yon, just like the city itself. Di ba?
Very cinematic talagang world
Somehow.
background.
Yeah. Pero, medyo kinulang ako dun sa introduction video. Like, hindi ko pa siya ganun kakilala. Like, kunyari, yung picture na nandun sa yung parang nire-relate sa advocacy, parang picture na lang siya after niyang manalo. Kasi puro siya naka-crown, and sash, and all that. And nakulangan ako sa, parang mas binenta yung Iloilo, which is kahit na hindi niya ibibenta na ganun, ay bibilhin ko talaga. Like ganun. Nakulangan lang ako sa ganong factor. Yung, I wanted more about her story. Like, introduce yourself more to us para mas abangan ka namin at mas papanoorin ka namin. Yun ang kinulang ako. Pero yung video, yung paggagawa ng video, yung
Maganda.
kudos sa editor, sa videographer, sa team. Yeah.
So, it's a matter of change ng writing and content siguro. More of revelation kung ano yung mga involvement niya, ganyan, and yung kung ano yung personal motivations pa niya, kung bakit niya ginagawa yung mga ganong bagay, ganun. More of her pa, parang ganun. Yun lang din naman. Pero she's cute and princess. Parang siyang prinsesa.
Parang nga akong nananalamin. So yeah guys, thank you so much at sinamahan niyo na kami sa nagdaang reaction video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done. And we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us in the next video. Bye!